Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram filters not working. So if you are having trouble with that, make sure to watch the video till the end and do not skip. Now without any further ado, let's start. First of all, open Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, to use Instagram filters, scroll to the right and in here you will see various filters in effect that you can apply to your photo. But sometimes you might not find the filters that you are looking for, or that might not work. Now what you can do is scroll more to the left until you reach the search icon. Tap on there and in here search for that specific filter, save that and use on Instagram. But if still that doesn't work, the next thing, make sure that your app is installed to its latest version. For that, open in Play Store and on the search bar search for Instagram, and then if you see update option, simply update the app to its latest version, and then again go back and see if this issue has been solved or not. If not, again open your settings, tap on apps and then again search for Instagram and tap on Instagram, and in here tap on storage and cache and then again tap on clear cache. That will clear all the temporary file linked to your Instagram app, which will help you to solve the issue. After that, you might get solution to your problem. So this is how you can fix Instagram filter not working. That's all for today, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.